Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Sam, and in this video I'll be discussing logarithms in mathematics. If you have not subscribed to this channel or if you are new to the channel, kindly wait to subscribe because in this channel we discuss mathematical and educational content. So we'll get straight to the topic of logarithms. To start with, we are going to consider the rules of logarithms. Consider the rules of logarithms, and I'll give a few examples, and at the end of the video, as usual, I'll give some exercises for you to also practice with. So we're going to start with the first rule. Now, you should be familiar with indices because it makes it very easy for you to know logarithms. If you have not done that, go and watch my video on indices so you master indices. Then you can come back here to understand better. So I'm going to take the first rule of indices now. This rule is the rule of addition. Basically, if you have log A plus log B, it will become log A times B. So when they are adding, we multiply. We could also reverse it. If you have log A times B, it can become log A plus log B. So let's take an example. Let's say I want to add log 2 plus log 3. That will be equal to log 2 times 3. That's log 6. That's simple as that. Alright, let's go to the next one quickly. You have log A now, instead of plus, minus log B. When they are subtracting, what will happen? You can guess that they will divide. So that will be log A over B. So when they are adding, you multiply them. When they are subtracting, you divide them. E.g., suppose I have log 24 minus log 8. This will simply become log 24 divided by 8, and that is log 3. That is the answer. So these are the two fundamental rules of logarithm. But we have more. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. If I have log A raised to power x. Now you have the log of a number that is carrying a power. This power will come to the front here and it will become x log A. When you apply something like this, suppose we want to simplify something like log 32. Now this is where you are supposed to know indices. Log 32. 32 can be written in index form as 2 raised to power 5. 2 multiplied itself 5 times to give you 32. So I can change log 32 to log 2 raised to power 5. And then bring the 5 here and it becomes 5 log 2. So 5 log 2 is a simplified form of log 32. So this is also a very important rule that we apply when solving questions under logarithm. So I'll go to the next one, which is if we have log A base B, this will be equal to log A over log B. Now at this point, let me emphasize this. When you see the log of a number written without any base there, the base is usually base 10. So if it is otherwise, they will write it like log 2 base 5. If they did not write it, then the base is base 10. So all these logarithms we have been doing so far are in base 10. So if we have log A base B, it automatically becomes log A base 10 over log B base 10. Then we can simplify further. Let's take one example. E.g., let's say I have log 8 base 32. What can I do here? To simplify, it will become log 8 over log 32. Then to go further, we can take 8 and 32 to index form, and that will become log 2 raised to power 3 over log 2 raised to power 5. Then applying this rule here, this will now become 3 log 2 over 5 log 2. And when we have this, we can cancel log 2 and our answer is 3 over 5. So we have simplified log 8 base 32 to become 3 over 5. I hope that is very, very clear. I need to take you to the last one I'll be talking about today, which is when you have log A base A. When you have the log of a number to the same base, it will become 1. To prove this, we just apply this number 4 rule here, and you have log A base A to become log A over log A. When we have the same thing dividing itself, it will become 1. So it's as simple as that. So if I have Log 10 written like this, the answer is 1. Remember, the base is 10. If I want to write it, log 10 is 10 is 1. If you write it as log 10, you should know the answer is 1. If you have log 5 base 5, it will give you 1. So when you have the log of a number to the same base, the answer is 1. So, hoping you understand these examples. If I rushed it, you can go back, rewind, and try to understand it very well. We'll take some examples now, better examples to dive further into the topic. So, the first one is log 4 plus log 7. For us to simplify it, it's a very simple one. What do we do? Using the rule of addition, this will become log 4 times 7. And that is log 4 times 7 is what? 28. That is the answer. Let's go to another one. Another example here says simplify log 64 minus log 128 plus log 32. Now, if we follow the rules of addition and subtraction, we can solve it this way. These two that are subtracting will be divided. Then this one that is adding will multiply. So we have a log of the same basis. Actually, when they are of different bases, it's a different topic entirely. So what we are covering here is for the same base. You just take one of the logarithms. So if base 10 is written, you take that with 10. Then we have 64 here, 128 here, so that will be 64 minus divided by 128 plus that will be times 32. To write it in a clearer form, I can write it as 64 over 128 times 32. 64 will go here 2 times, and 2 will go in 32 16 times. So that the entire value will now be log 16. So this is the simplified form of this question. I hope that's clear. We'll be moving to the next question. Next question says, we should simplify 1 over 2 log 16 plus 1 over 3 log 27 minus 2 log 5. Now, there are numbers in front of the logarithms. This will take us to number 3 root here, where the power can come to the back. The same way the power can come to the back, this number at the back here, or sorry, in front of the logarithm, can come back and become power. So we can write this as this. Log 16 raised to power 1 over 2, the 1 over 2 here, plus this one can be written as log 27 raised to power 1 over 2, 1 over 3, then minus this one can be written as log 5 raised to power 2. So now, if you understand this is very well, you will know how to simplify this. That's why I say you should watch my video if you have not done that yet. Now, log 16 here will be taken to index form. And index form of 16 is 2 raised to power 4. And 2 raised to power 4 will now be carrying power 1 over 2. So we can put a bracket here to show that it raised to power 1 over 2. Then plus 27 is 3 raised to power 3. Then it's now carrying the power 1 over 3. Minus log 5 raised to power 2 is simply 25. So I can simplify that. Here now, I have log, where we have a power to another power, the two powers multiply, and we have 2 raised to power 4 times 1 over 2 plus log 3 raised to power 3 times 1 over 3 minus log 25. So 3 can cancel 3 here, 2 can go in 4 here 2 times. So that what we have now is log 2 raised to power 2 plus log 3 raised to power 1, that is 3, minus log 25. And that will become 2 raised to power 2 is 4, so we have log 4 plus log 3 minus log 25. So to simplify that further, so this will give us log, since they are adding here, we multiply these two, and the subtracting here will divide by 2. So that will be equal to 4 times 3 divided by 25. So I find that this, for simplicity, 4 times this 3 divided by 3 over 25. And we know 4 multiplied 3, and that is log 4 times 3, 12 over 25. That is the simplified form of this question number 3. I hope you understood that very well. These are the few examples I'll be giving in this. If you don't get it very well, please try and go back again so you watch it again, because I might have rushed, because I don't want the video to be too long. I'll be giving you 5 questions now to practice on this topic. We have 5 exercises now. The first question. Okay, you have to simplify. 5 the following. Some of them will be simplified to give you logarithms. Some of them will be simplified to give you final answers, where you get maybe a fraction 2/5 or something. So you might simplify it to the simplest form of logarithm or get a particular final answer. So the first question here will be 2 log 5 minus 1/2 log 81 plus log 36. Second question is log 27 minus log 9 plus log 81. Number 3, we have log 64 plus log 32 minus log 128. Number 4, we will have 1/2 log 16 minus 1/3 log 8 all over log 4. Number 5, we have log 9 minus log 3 plus 1/2 log 81 all over 2 log 3. Now, the 2 questions that I put here, number 4 and number 5, I did not do any example on them, but I expect you to be able to accumulate all the laws, use your own wisdom, and solve the questions. Let me know in the comments if you're able to solve them, and possibly I'll make a video where I do the corrections for these questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. As always, you can subscribe to my channel to get more content. Share with your friends, because if you keep it to yourself, you are being stingy. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.